Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be creating bus line number 97, and that's why we're back in Itäkeskus. This is another rather short line connecting metro stations with areas with no metro stations. So actually just feeding traffic to the metro. We will start in Itäkeskus and we will stop at Puotinharju, and well, because this line is cheating, we will also stop at Korsholmantie despite it being a one-way stop. From Korsholmantie we'll be traveling to Vanhallinantie, and we will stop at this stop of Vanhallinantie. And then we'll also have a stop at the Puotila metro station over here. From Puotila we will continue our journey to Rantakartalontie and to Karhulantie. But after Karhulantie we will not be turning. Actually, the Karhulantie stop we'll be using is not located in there. It will be located on Itäväylä. But let's just have a look at how this stop functions at first. I will have to try to find that out in order to work this thing in a proper way. No, wait a second. Now I have made some sort of mistake. Puotilantie, no, Rantakartalantie, and then Karhulantie. So there are several stops called Karhulantie, and we will this time just stop over here at the same stop, which is used by the previously created lines. We'll just save some time by doing that. Then our following stop is called Riskutie, Briskväin, which is of course a stop which already exists. But just to put things in the right place, there is this is interesting. I'm a bit lost on the map at the moment, and I may have done something wrong. Oh no, I haven't. I will just have to place the stop correctly. And it's obvious that the correct place to place the stop called Riskutie this time, because there already is a stop with this name at the other end of this road, is here. So that's where Riskutie Briskväin is, on this line. So the first connection has been established. And then our following stop is at Linnanherrantie, Borhäriväin, which obviously is over there. I think I found the right spot. It's just every time I'm going through uncharted territories or territories where previously created things don't exist, I will just have to do some extra checking, but I think I'll be safe to assume that Linnanrartieborg Härvein is over here. That's it. And the following stop will be at Ussillantie. Nybrovägen. There we go. And after Nybrovägen we will stop at Mellunmäentie, Mellungsbackavägen, which is around here. And after that we will probably turn left. That's correct. And then we will learn and study the names of Finnish fjells. And the first stop is going to be at Kaunispääntie, Kaunispääväin. And the following stop will be at Saanatunturintie. Let's see what that is in Swedish. Saanatunturvägen. A bit strange, but okay. There we go. And let's connect it with the previous stop. Trying to follow this road as closely as possible. That's it. Our terminus is approaching. This is going to be a really short line. Then we have a Pyhätunturintie. Pyhätunturivägin. That's it. And the following stop will be pretty close. It will be called Siltapolku, Brostien, The following stop is a one-way stop. It's Pallasvägin, probably Pallaksentie in Finnish. Let's check it. Pallaksentie, Pallasvägin, a one-way stop. Well, let's treat it accordingly as a one-way stop and make it a double stop. There we go. And then let's see how it connects with the station and what I will have to do in order to make it connect well with the station. So the final stop is at Mellunmäki. Now, how does this thing function then? Let's have a look. Yes, so there is a stop in there. And what we'll have to do in order to make this thing kind of work in kind of traffic-wise is that we will build a track through there, and then we will have to build a crossing through here and another crossing in a place where there really isn't one, but in there. Then we'll have to move a couple of signals. And obviously we're gonna have to add the signals over here, and then let's just start creating the line and let's just see how this works. So the line has been built. It's a 1 million line, and then we create the line, which is obviously what did I say, line number 97. And we start from Mellunmäki. Then we stop at the real stop of Pallaksentie. Siltapolku, Pyhätunturin tie. These are named after Finnish fjells. At Sanatunturin tie, at Kaunispään tie, Mellumäen tie, Ussilan tie, Linnanherran tie, Riskutie. Then we stop at Karhulan tie. Then we're back on track with the existing lines. Sorry about that. So it's an 11-kilometer line. And I will give it a double stop at every single line, a stop, despite not all of the stops being double stops, but like I said, I'm willing to sacrifice some realism. And that's it. A complete line, 11 kilometers. Let's see how often it runs. It runs every, it looks like every 20 minutes. At its busiest, that's right, to a 20-minute line. Pretty generous, let's put it that way. And running line number 97. Yep, so we need 2 buses. And that's it. Another line in the city of Helsinki has been created. Now, if I count correctly, there is just one more. No, I didn't. There are 2 basic lines left to be created. This was the first one of them. No. 2 more left. And I will return tomorrow with a new video creating the first of the 2 lines left. So, until then, it's bye.